Hi, today we're going to talk about Gotham City Leather. Gotham City Leather is my leather line, and why I did it was, one of the things I've done for years is manufacturing, and I got a couple of different levels. We do artisan, handmade, handcrafted in the USA aprons on my site, and then we have our cut and sew that we do in our factories. We actually import these, but they're beautiful top grain leather. And one of the beautiful things that I like about this is it really feels nice and it adjusts easily, both sides, and they're on my website right now. You definitely want to take a look at them. We're doing a creator special also with Brazilian knives, whether it's a stainless or a gold, whatever you like. I mean, this has become my go-to. You would not believe how much I use this knife, both on and off the camera. So check out the website, check out my knives. Sign up for the newsletter, you get 15% off of already great price on a leather apron. Another item that we have with Gotham City Leather is this really nice split tote. I'm always going out to the wood pile. I don't know about you, but my wood pile and my smoker and my grill are in two different areas. And sometimes I grab the wheelbarrow and sometimes I just need a couple of splits. So, we have this nice top grain leather, Gotham City Leather tote. Thank you. New York barbecue guys. Crafted in smoke, forged in fire.